Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up a dedicated IP address with NordVPN. A dedicated IP is assigned only to you, which makes it ideal for services that require a fixed IP, fewer CAPTCHA interruptions, and more reliable access. Quick reminder before we begin. If you don't already have NordVPN, check the link in the description. Right now, you can get 73% off, plus 3 free months, all backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. First, log into your Nord account using your email and password. You'll be taken to your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, click on the NordVPN tab in the upper left corner of the dashboard. If your dedicated IP hasn't been set up yet, you'll see a message that says Setup Required. Click the Set up Dedicated IP button. From here, you'll be asked to choose your preferred location. Use the drop-down menu to select the country where you want your dedicated IP. After making your selection, click Set up Dedicated IP to confirm. Once the setup is complete, NordVPN will assign you a unique IP address in the country you selected. You'll see this IP listed in the Dedicated IP section of your account. That completes the setup process. The next step is simply connecting to your dedicated IP server on your device. You can do this on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Linux, and even on smart TVs like Android TV or Fire TV. And that's how you set up your NordVPN dedicated IP. From here, you'll benefit from a more stable connection, smoother logins, and access to services that require a fixed IP. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get 73% off plus 3 free months. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.